Welcome. Today, we're diving into the basics of setting up CRM software for knowledge management. If you're new to CRM, don't worry, this guide is designed for beginners. We'll walk through what CRM is, why it's important for organizing information, and how it can help your team work smarter, not harder. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for getting started, so let's begin by understanding the core purpose of CRM in knowledge management. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's a type of software that helps businesses organize, track, and manage interactions with customers and prospects. But CRM isn't just about sales, it's also a powerful tool for storing and sharing knowledge across your organization. By centralizing information, CRM ensures everyone has access to the latest updates, documents, and best practices. Using CRM for knowledge management brings many benefits. It helps prevent information silos, making sure everyone can find what they need quickly. Teams can collaborate more efficiently, share insights, and avoid duplicating work. Plus, with everything in one place, onboarding new team members becomes much easier. Let's see how you can start setting up your CRM for these advantages. The first step is selecting the right CRM software. There are many options out there, from simple tools like HubSpot and Zoho to more advanced platforms like Salesforce. As a beginner, look for a CRM that's user-friendly, offers good support, and has built-in knowledge management features. Consider your team's size, budget, and specific needs before making a decision. Once you've chosen your CRM, it's time to set up your account. Start by registering your organization and inviting your team members. Most CRMs will guide you through the initial setup with step-by-step instructions. Make sure to assign roles and permissions so everyone has the right level of access to information. The CRM dashboard is your command center. Here, you'll see an overview of your contacts, tasks, and knowledge resources. Familiarize yourself with the layout. Look for sections like contacts, deals, tasks, and knowledge base. This is where you'll spend most of your time managing and accessing information. Start by adding your contacts to the CRM. This can include customers, partners, and internal team members. Most CRMs let you import contacts from spreadsheets or add them manually. Make sure to fill in key details like names, emails, and roles. Accurate contact information is the foundation of effective knowledge sharing. To keep things tidy, organize your contacts into groups or segments. For example, you might have separate lists for customers, leads, and partners. Tagging and categorizing contacts makes it easier to find the right people and share relevant knowledge with specific groups. A knowledge base is a central repository for important documents, FAQs, and best practices. Most CRMs have a built-in knowledge base feature. Start by creating folders for different topics, like product info, support guides, or company policies. This structure helps everyone find what they need quickly. Now it's time to upload your key documents. This could include training manuals, process guides, or customer FAQs. Make sure each document is clearly named and stored in the right folder. Many CRMs also let you add tags or descriptions to make searching even easier. Knowledge articles are short, focused pieces of information, like how-tos or troubleshooting tips. Use your CRM's editor to write clear, concise articles. Group related articles together and link them to relevant contacts or cases. This makes it easy for your team to find answers fast. Not everyone needs access to every piece of information. Set permissions in your CRM to control who can view, edit, or delete knowledge resources. This keeps sensitive data secure while ensuring the right people have the information they need. Every organization is unique, so customize your CRM fields to match your needs. Add custom fields for things like project codes, document types, or knowledge categories. This makes it easier to organize and filter information later on. Most CRMs let you connect your email account. This means you can track conversations, share knowledge, and store important messages right inside the CRM. Integration helps keep all your communication and knowledge in one place, making it easier to reference later. Encourage your team to use notes and comments within the CRM. This feature lets users add context, updates, or feedback directly to contacts, documents, or knowledge articles. It's a great way to capture insights and keep everyone on the same page. Workflows help automate repetitive tasks and ensure knowledge is shared at the right time. For example, you can set up a workflow to notify team members when a new article is published or when a document is updated. This keeps everyone informed and reduces manual follow-up. Tags and categories make it easy to organize and search for knowledge. Encourage your team to use consistent tags for topics, departments, or document types. This way, anyone can quickly filter and find the information they need, even as your knowledge base grows. A good CRM has powerful search tools. Teach your team how to use filters, keywords, and advanced search options to quickly locate documents, articles, or contacts. Mastering search saves time and ensures knowledge is always within reach. Notifications keep your team updated on important changes. Set up alerts for new documents, article updates, or workflow triggers. This ensures everyone stays informed and can act quickly when new knowledge is added or modified. Many CRMs offer mobile apps, letting you access knowledge and contacts on the go. Make sure your team downloads the app and knows how to use it. Mobile access is especially helpful for remote teams or those who travel frequently. If you already have documents or contact lists, import them into your CRM. Most platforms support importing from spreadsheets or other software. Double-check your data for accuracy and organize it into the right folders or categories as you go. Protect your knowledge by setting up regular backups. Many CRMs offer automatic backup features, but it's wise to check your settings and schedule manual backups if needed. This ensures your information is safe in case of technical issues. A successful CRM setup depends on your team knowing how to use it. Schedule training sessions to walk everyone through the basics, adding contacts, uploading documents, searching for knowledge, and using workflows. Ongoing training helps everyone stay up to date as new features are added. Knowledge management works best when everyone contributes. Encourage your team to share insights, upload helpful documents, and update knowledge articles regularly. Recognize and reward active contributors to build a culture of collaboration. Most CRMs provide analytics to track how your knowledge base is being used. Monitor which documents are most popular, who's contributing, and where there might be gaps. Use this data to improve your setup and address any issues quickly. Knowledge is always evolving. Set a schedule to review and update your documents and articles, remove outdated information, and add new insights as your organization grows. Keeping your knowledge base current ensures it remains a valuable resource. Ask your team for feedback on the CRM and knowledge base. What's working well? What could be improved? Use surveys or regular check-ins to gather suggestions and make adjustments. Listening to users helps you create a system that truly supports everyone. Reports help you measure the effectiveness of your knowledge management. Set up regular reports to track usage, document updates, and team contributions. Use these insights to celebrate successes and identify areas for improvement. Security is crucial when managing knowledge. Make sure your CRM uses strong encryption and regularly update passwords. Review user permissions often, and remove access for former employees. These steps help protect your organization's valuable information. Many CRMs can connect with other tools you use, like project management apps or chat platforms. Integrations help streamline your workflow and keep all your knowledge in sync. Explore your CRM's integration options to make the most of your setup. Automation saves time and reduces errors. Set up automated reminders for document reviews, knowledge base updates, or follow-ups. The more you automate, the more time your team has to focus on high-value work. Document and share best practices for using the CRM and managing knowledge. Create quick reference guides or video tutorials for your team. This helps everyone use the system effectively and consistently. Every system has its hiccups. Prepare for common issues like duplicate contacts, missing documents, or access problems. Set up a process for reporting and resolving these quickly so your knowledge management stays smooth and reliable. As your organization grows, your CRM needs may change. Plan for scaling by regularly reviewing your setup, adding new features, or upgrading your plan. A scalable CRM ensures your knowledge management keeps pace with your team's needs. CRM software is always evolving. Stay informed about new features, bug fixes, and updates from your provider. Regularly review, release notes, and test new features to see how they can enhance your knowledge management. Getting everyone on board is key. Highlight the benefits of the CRM and knowledge management to your team. Offer support, answer questions, and address concerns promptly. The more comfortable your team feels, the more likely they are to use the system effectively. Knowledge management is an ongoing process. Encourage your team to suggest improvements, try new features, and share what works best. Continuous improvement keeps your CRM relevant and valuable for everyone. Define what success looks like for your knowledge management setup. Track metrics like document usage, search frequency, and team satisfaction. Use these insights to celebrate wins and identify areas for further growth. Data privacy is essential. Make sure your CRM complies with relevant regulations like GDPR. Train your team on privacy best practices and regularly review your policies to keep sensitive information protected. Over time, some knowledge becomes outdated but may still be useful for reference. Use your CRM's archiving features to store old documents safely. This keeps your main knowledge base clean while preserving valuable history. Promote a culture of sharing by making it easy for team members to contribute knowledge. Offer templates for articles, recognize helpful contributions, and create channels for sharing tips and insights. The more knowledge is shared, the stronger your organization becomes. Templates save time and ensure consistency. Create templates for common knowledge articles, FAQs, or process guides. This helps your team contribute quickly and keeps your knowledge base organized and professional. Create a safe space for team members to ask questions about the CRM or knowledge base. Use discussion boards or Q&A sessions to address concerns and share answers. This builds confidence and helps everyone learn together. Regularly review your knowledge management processes. Are there steps that can be simplified? Are team members finding what they need? Use feedback and analytics to refine your approach and keep improving. Congratulations! You've learned the essentials of setting up CRM software for knowledge management as a beginner. Remember, the key is to start simple, involve your team, and keep improving over time. With a well-organized CRM, your organization will be better equipped to share knowledge, collaborate, and grow together.